Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm using jdiction resin. Let's pour some in here. 20 for my white and 18 for the other cup. Okay, and there's my resin. Okay, we're using some of the black EtterArt pigment drops. If we cannot get a bubble, we're gonna get 2 drops and it's 18 grams. Okay. We're gonna get 2 drops of white and this 20.8 grams. Oh, and there is a bubble. Try and shake it really well. Okay. Get these mixed up, put them in the piping bag. Make sure you're mixed up really well. I kind of feel like I could add 3 drops for my black, but I'm not gonna. That's why I put less resin in here. I just know my white seems thicker. Maybe the black's thick too, I'm just not. Maybe it's harder to tell because it's black. But since I made that really pretty mica and black pigment bloom, I wanted to make a black and white one. We'll twist these and tie them up.
I've been watching a lot of people make blooms lately, and we don't do it. Okay. Sometimes I cut my hole too big and it falls out too and just drops in there. But I try to, you know.
Okay, what do I want to make today? You know, I haven't tried circles in this one yet, so let's do that. Oh goodness, I might have made that one a little big. Do I want to make black circles? Or a row of black and a row of white circles? Yes, let's do that. And then we'll alternate the dots. Sounds like a plan. Now, how big can I make them in here? Let's see. Okay. I'll fast forward through some of this because I don't want you to be bored. Adjusting the circle size to the area I'm at. And I might hate that black. You know what I mean? I don't know yet. Okay, I don't know. It looks kind of crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna like that black blooming. Very much. Okay, I'm covering it up with the G3 lid. Okay, I'm gonna add a back to this real quick. I just used some of this blue mica powder from Resin and added in some black epoxy pigment from Resin. Just got a dark blue color. Oh. And that's that. Nice. I'm gonna turn this G3 back on after I torch it, and then I'll see you guys at about 2 hours. All right, see you soon. All right, everyone, we ready to check it out? I hope it worked. All right. Ready? Turn my other light. Oops, it was on. All right, let's look. That's pretty crazy. That's a lot going on. I like it though. That seems like a pretty crazy bloom. Super cool though. I like it. Pretty neat. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I like it. Sweet. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an extraordinary day. And I will see you next time. Bye.